Thanks, Andona, for letting us get through all of that. She's an attorney and talking about Community Law Day, which is coming up tomorrow. Andona, thanks so much for being here with us today.
Thank you for having me.
So what is Community Law Day?
Community Law Day is an open event that is intended to help connect all members of our community with existing resources, legal and otherwise.
Mm-hmm. Can you give us an example of some sessions that are going to be held, things that people have always wondered about, and it's a great opportunity for them to get educated?
Yes, we will have volunteer attorneys talking about different areas of the law, different legal issues, things that people encounter frequently in everyday life. That'll include family law, criminal law, immigration, legal rights of the elderly, disability rights, eviction and housing issues, even things like wills and estate planning.
Yep. Now, if someone has a certain issue they're kind of wondering about, are they open to come, or are there any one-on-one sessions that are available?
Yes. We will have attorneys available to give information, generally speaking, about those areas of the law, to answer some general questions, and most importantly, to connect people with existing resources in the community so that if there are legal needs, we can hopefully point people in the right direction, get them connected.
What's the biggest misconception that people have when it comes to contacting an attorney or reaching out?
I think for a lot of people, there's an idea that if you can't hire an attorney on your own, that there's no help available, and that's simply not the case. There are resources available, and there are attorneys who are willing to do things on a pro bono basis, that means without a cost, or on a sliding scale basis as well, and that's a major goal of this Community Law Day event, to help connect people with the resources that exist.
And a lot of firms will do a free consult first to kind of find out, why are you here, what do you need? And so that can also be helpful as well. But what do you think is the number one issue that people are looking for help with? Is it with the wills and estate planning? Is it with the disabilities? What are people looking for?
I think that it really is, it's so individual. I think everyone's circumstances are so unique, and I think one of the wonderful things about our community is that we are so diverse. We have so many new Americans in our community. We have so many individuals and families that all face different issues, different problems, and what we hope that we can show that we all have in common is that there are, like I've said, resources available to help whatever those needs may be.
And how long has this Community Law Day been going on?
This is our second annual event. The Erie County Bar Association has a section that's committed to diversity and inclusion, and this is one of our community-based efforts to help create better access to legal resources and to help try to break down some of the barriers that we are aware exist for people when they need legal assistance.
I remember talking about this a little bit last year when it first came up, and I thought it was a great idea. So when is this and where is this, so folks know where to go?
We will be at the Erie Center for Arts and Technology tomorrow from 10 in the morning to 2 in the afternoon. It is a completely open event. People can come at any time throughout. There are presentations planned at 10:15 and 12:15, but whatever time anyone may come, I assure you there will be resources available and something to learn.
So 10 to 2, ignore the 12:15. No appointment necessary. Raffles and refreshments are available as well. And you can get more information from going to eriebar.com, looking for events probably underneath that. Yes. All right. And Donna, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks for being here. Great event. When we come back on First